Hello, everyone.
Hello, interweb.
Hello,
Stealing Tim's
internet.
lines. We are back with our weekly stream of ChEffect. I'm still working on ChEffect, which is a local first meal planning app written with Effect and Live Store. And yeah, I know we took a break for a little bit there, but we're back. I think Tim is working on upgrading a few libraries right now, and then we'll hop into it. I also think there were some upgrades made to Live Store, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if Johannes released anything, but
I do not know. We'll have a look when we get to it. For some reason, PnP have never kind of updates peer dependencies or struggles with it.
isn't there like a config you can set for that in the PnPm lock, or did I make that up?
I don't know.
I think you can set like.
So Live Store has not updated. Minor.
npm.
We want to update effect. .18. To 3.1. Well, it might be easier just to manually do it. Peer dependencies. Well, what it is. Atom, React, package. So, update effect, grid. I think there's Atom view. View is fine. Atom, what else is there? Live Store. Great. Change it. Update effect. Push. Call out keyboard.
Yeah, my keyboard is loud. Although on stream, when we're streaming, yours is really loud too.
Global, not found. Okay. That's that. And then while that's going, ChEffect. Okay. Ugh, the tests are broken.
What is going on?
Cannot find package. Interesting. I feel like V must have changed something. I'll fix it later. I'll shift that to go in. I need to add my OpenAI key quickly.
Just FYI, you're sharing your full screen in case you. I don't want you to leak your API key.
You can't see my other monitor.
No, I can't see your other monitor, so we're good.
I haven't ChEffect on this laptop. I just realised that.
You haven't ChEffected?
On this laptop.
My goodness. I need to fix that right away.
Yeah. As soon as I get my API key. Copy. I think you have to prefix with feet. OpenAI. AI helpers. Feet. OpenAI API key. Yeah. Very nice. We are back. So Effect Atom, yeah, Effect AI. Ooh, Inito form is updated. Maybe we'll hold off.
Maybe we'll wait a minute.
Yeah. I don't want to mess around with forms today.
Why not, Tim? It's the most it's the most fun you can have in life.
uh, 5173. Okay. Maybe I'll put that. No. Actually, we are doing mobile first development. So I can put it in. Alrighty then. Today's groceries, hide completed items. Try improve groceries prompting. And then move on to the meal planner. So currently, let's just add a recipe. Fried chicken, per usual.
Classic.
We go. Do that. What's our payload looking like? 27 kilobytes. It seems to have stripped out quite a bit of stuff. Pretty right. Code file. Okay, never mind. But we got our fried chicken now. And its grocery list. So by default, it just kind of like marks it in a ticked off state. But when you're strolling down the aisles, you kind of want it to go away for a bit. And we think I want that by default.
What is the thing that we want by default?
So the list gets smaller as you tick them off.
I see what you're saying, yeah. Or maybe we move them to like the bottom or something.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I guess we could just move them to the bottom. Groceries. So grocery list. Maybe if we have a boolean that says show completed. And then we filter stuff here. So where is our loop? Yeah. Show completed. Item dot completed. Otherwise, listen. And then I guess we can just duplicate the list. And then we need to filter out empty things.
Empty aisles.
Yeah. So if we items equals like that. And then we remove that filter here. Right. We need to get rid of the form. Grocery list. Right. Grocery list. I guess we would also want to check. So I have like a completed heading, but I'd want it to disappear if there was nothing.
Maybe if we.
So I think this flat map we do up here. Filtered aisles. No. And then here we go completed. We can just display title. And if we copy the weight of that one, grocery list. Again. So this one we want show form. Show completed. Okay. Just need to fix the pattern.
The old padding.
No. Yeah. Wrong place. Right. Good. Try improve groceries prompting. So I'm guessing that's for the beautify button. Here's our current prompt, which is quite. Maybe I already did this.
We did this together last stream, but we observed that on faster models, it doesn't perform very well, and even on the slower models, it doesn't perform that well.
Yeah.
So we could feed this prompt into another
I
LLM
think
and just tell it to make it.
played around with reasoning. Yeah. It looks like it would have been after our stream. Let's just try it again, see how fast it was. Clear all edge. So that was 30 seconds. $12 seconds. That's pretty good. I feel like that's acceptable now. Use skeleton for main loading AI. I'm guessing that is this.
Yeah, I think we wanted to replace the text with a skeleton for recipes.
Yeah. I'm not sure if we need the count on the title either. Doesn't really add anything.
I agree. The only utility it provides is really like for searching, but
Yeah. So here we want a skeleton. So we go recipe list skeleton. Background white. Interesting. That. Where we? Oh yeah, the list is kind of like one big blob. So maybe if we...
Yeah. I think we had a skeleton elsewhere that was similar to this. Flex column. Where are you going to see this guy? Not too bad. Maybe drop get. Meal planner. Here we go.
So for that, we'll need V0, I guess.
And we need V0 to make us a pretty screen.
That might be GitHub actually. Continue with GitHub. V0. So ChEffect.
Good old ChEffect.
Type the problems in. So we now need recipe a meal planning section.
What did you have in mind for the meal planning section? Like functionality
I
wise.
think like it's like a list, calendar list, and then you can assign recipes to days.
Maybe we could type that into the prompt.
Yeah. It should look like a calendar agenda view where you can add recipes to each day. You should be able to easily add this to each day. Remove. Okay. Anything else? We want to open my current meal planning app and see what I like and don't like.
Yeah, like
Meals. It did show 1 week at the time. It screwed up my formatting. Come out. Not what I had in mind. It's a start.
Probably going to be a bit tiny on a mobile view.
Quick should be in a list again. So you can see every day. Also, design mobile. I think we can get the navigation item first. The rest of the page should always be visible. Remove new plan. That feels too big. I think we can move the button into the header and remove the white space. Between each the two must and move the button into the I see. Kind of want this to be a calculation.
How do you mean?
So heading bottom equals calc plus take-up. Yeah. Now, how do I get that CSS in here? Oh, yeah. There's DB. And that is replacing that guy. Nice. Almost there, but I think we still need a background for the header of some kind. To contrast. Should probably to get it to add some actual recipes so we can see what they look like as well. Good. Also, get some recipes. So, rich. We don't have that. Day names. Yeah, page. What is this? So that represents each week. We'll need to work on the data model for this, I guess. Here we need to use a normal image.
I think some spacing between the days might help.
It is. I just asked it to remove the spacing.
Oh, I missed that.
Oh, this is good. We'll need to work on the add UI. I guess when you click add, you'll need like some kind of search thing. And then in reverse, probably here we'd want some kind of like add to plan button. Add button to recipe plan. Search. Probably have modal is the best thing. Or adding recipes. Done. I'm not sure if the number adds anything. Get rid of it. You can like clearly see how many recipes there are.
Yeah, I feel like it's just a distraction, probably. The AI likes to add it, though.
It does. I think after this, we'll work on the data model and come back.
Yeah, that works. We've also been going for about an hour, so I don't know how much longer you want to keep going.
Okay, this is a good place to end it.
I feel like that already looks better.
Cool.
Maybe making the plus button an outline button would also look better, but we can revisit that later.
And box.
Do we want to add to our to-dos to work on the data model, or yeah, very good.
Add a week to groceries. Meal time. Cool.
Excellent. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed our stream today, and we'll see you folks next time. Cheers, everybody.
See you, everyone.